So as you guys have seen from the title of this video, we are going to be recreating Megan Thee Stallion's favorite makeup look. Some of you guys already saw my trying celebrity lip combos video, and in that video I just tried on different lipstick combos and lip glosses, but they were all from like black women that I really like and admire. I've been talking to you guys about popular trends, and so I felt like this would just be a cute and fun video to do. This Pat McGrath foundation has more of a satin finish. It looked like she had a little bit of like a dewy look. I'm going to use two concealers. One is from Fenty and the other one is from MAC. Before I set everything in place, I want to add a little oil to my face. Not a whole lot. And a little to the nose. I'm going to set everything with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. To prime my eyes for this look, I'm using Soft Ochre from MAC Heavy Duty Paint Pot. This is going to make sure that all the colors that we applied pop. It looks like she has a mixture of like a brown and a purple for her crease, so I'm going to use two different crease shades. As soon as I saw this picture, I wanted to recreate this look. It's natural, but it still has some drama to it. I'm gonna go in with this dark purple shade from Pat McGrath. We want our lid color to pop, so I'm gonna add some more of the paint pot. Okay, I went ahead and finished my other eye and added some liner. So we're gonna move on to highlighter. I'm mixing two of my favorite highlighters together because her highlight was popping. For my lip liner, I'm using Brooklyn Thorn from NYX. Here is our finished look. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.